Hi guys, Dave here at Gurdon's. Today we're talking about crabgrass prevention, broadleaf weed control earlier in the season, and then we're also talking about seeding your lawn. Gurdon's offers a 4-step fertilizer program, but today we're just going to focus on the first step. It's the crabgrass preventer. It's a pre-emergent. What does that mean? That's basically it creates a vapor barrier, a gaseous barrier in the soil that doesn't allow any weed seed or grass seed to penetrate through that. So it just kind of snuffs it out before it can get established. The downside is that it also will prevent good seed from growing. So if you're planning on seeding your lawn, that's something you're going to want to push off until around Labor Day because it's got season-long treatment, 80 to 90 days of longevity. For those of you that can't wait that long or are hosting a grad party or something like that, we do have a product that does kind of a 3-in-1. It allows you to fertilize your lawn, establish seed, and then also crabgrass prevention. Next, we're going to be talking about seeding your lawn. Soil temperature has to be about 54 degrees for about 5 days consecutive in order for seed to germinate. One thing that helps along the seed though is a starter fertilizer. We have that here in Gurdon's, and that kind of is like steroids for your seed, kind of gets it going. It's a high phosphorus element there in the fertilizer series. And if you need a little protection, if you're on a slope or if you have high wind, we do have some seed cover, and this is basically a recycled newspaper, which is kind of like a pen mulch, and it just protects the seed. It also protects from birds eating it up too. Gypsum is also a nice thing to do if you had dog damage or snowplow damage. What this is it's trace minerals, it's calcium sulfate, and it's designed to kind of neutralize that salt in the soil. It also helps with compaction if you have clay soil also. It's a great job of breaking things up. So if you come in, the turf experts will take care of you and we'll walk you through the process. Thanks for watching.